Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you every camera setting on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, go into the camera settings, and first we have the photo mode. In here you can change the settings. We have the general settings like lighting, top shot, motion photo, timer, macro focus, and changing the ratio. Then the Pro options, for example, the resolution. Here we have the RAW and JPEG, then the lens selection. In photo we can change to the camera, and in settings we have the flash, video boost, resolution, FPS, video stabilization and macro focus. And in creator we have save to a project, teleprompter, audio visualizer, speech enhancement and social media grid. Now we can go into the portrait mode, and this mode is mostly used right here for taking portraits. You can tap to focus. Now we have the Add Me, and right here we have, as you can see, photographer. Leave space for yourself to take the first photo, and then just move to the space that you want to be in and take another photo. Long exposure, and it's just very bright photo. Action pan, and it's panorama. We have night sight for taking night photos. Remember that you need your hands very still, or just to use a tripod. And we have a panorama once again right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.